Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to do another test with our brand new pans from LloydPans. So I've got two doughs at 250 grams each. In my previous little test videos, I had used quite a bit less dough, and in this video I want to kind of increase the dough and see how it goes, because I think this is going to be a nice amount of dough for these pans. So I've just lightly oiled these with a little bit of olive oil. Get my dough out. Nice dough. That is a nice dough. So I'm just going to spread it out. I'll just move this out, make sure I'm on the camera here. I just want to spread it out enough. I think that looks good. Okay, and then we're going to get it into our pan. I'm just going to get it right down into the corners. So this here is 250 grams. This dough has been cold, slow fermenting for 96 hours. So it's going to be pretty amazing. Okay, that's good. I'll do the next one. That's okay. We'll get that in there. Give it a little bit of a push. Right up to the corners. And then we're going to get down some homemade pizza sauce and a little bit of cheese, and then we'll bake these in our traditional standard kitchen oven and see how it goes. Okay, there we go. I'm going to get down some of my sauce. And this sauce is really nice. Love this sauce. I think that's good. Mozzarella cheese. We'll get some of that on. I'm not going to measure how much. I'm just going to do it by eye. The full amount here was 150 grams. You know what's great about test pizzas? You get to eat the tests, and they're always delicious. I think that looks pretty good. And if you want information about these amazing slim pans, they are from LloydPans, and I'll put all of the information down underneath the video in the description box. And if I remember, I'll also put it in the comments section. Amazing pans. Let's just clean up. That's good. So there we go. So now I'm going to pop my pizzas into my 425 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 218 degrees Celsius. I'll bake them off, and then I'm going to come back and I'll tell you exactly how long I baked them. Hey everybody, welcome back. I baked my pizzas for exactly 15 minutes and they smell amazing. They've been sitting here for about 5 minutes, but I can't wait any longer. These are, oh yeah, they're very hot still, but let's get into one of these and check it out. Now because the dough was a little bit thicker, I decided to drop that temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, nice. We'll just get that on a cutting board and we are ready to go. So let's go in. I cannot wait any longer. Just get a nice little cut here. Let's do one more for fun. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that is nice. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, I've got to go in for a bite. Oh wow, that is so good. Okay, that was really good. I love pizza as it is, but making them in the LloydPans, just over the top fun. Really really, really nice. If you want the video recipe for this dough, I'll leave it underneath the video in the description box and also in the comment section. And that will take you over to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another bite. That is so good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.